Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to post a picture from a thread in X. If you've come across an inspiring or intriguing photo within a thread and want to share it with the community, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Go to the post that contains the picture you want to share. Browse through the threads and locate the post that includes the desired photo. Step 3. To post the picture, tap and hold on the photo itself. This action will bring up a menu of options related to the selected photo. Step 4. From the Options menu, tap on Post Photo. This will open up the post creation interface, allowing you to add context or a caption to accompany the picture. Step 5. Add the necessary context or caption to provide more information about the photo. You can type in the text box or use voice input to enter your desired content. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a picture from a thread in X and engage with the community through visual content. Posting pictures from threads in X allows you to highlight captivating visuals and spark conversations among fellow X users. Thank you for watching, and happy picture posting.